Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about how to apply for scholarships at University of Twente in Netherlands. We'll show the full process for this, how do foreign students apply at this university for scholarships. We'll show the full process for this detailed application status. And before that, let me remind to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this scholarship at University of Twente is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos, links will be given in the respective descriptions. Also on the Instagram, you can directly check out the link in the about section of the post, or you can directly message our team, ask for the link. And on the YouTube about section, you can see our link is given there, and all the websites are also published there. You can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or kashmirlook.com. Once you visit our website, you can apply for this particular scholarship or any scholarship that you wish to apply directly. So university is offering international students with the environment to foster their entrepreneurship or interdisciplinary research skills, and will be providing the funding. Host country is Netherlands. Institute is University of Twente, and degree level is masters. Funding amount varies from $3,000 to $22,000 per year, and number of awards is up to 50 scholarships per year and or per subject. Deadline is 1st of May 2026. Field of study you can see is engineering, technology, business and science, social sciences, and there's other additional funding through the Kipaji scholarship, and this will be only eligible to selected UTS scholarships, and it is additional value is $12,000. Then the target is especially talented students for the Kipaji, else you can apply for the UTS scholarship separately. Comprehensive financial benefits you can see ranges from $3,000 to $22,000, and flexibility. Funds may be used to cover student tuition fee, living expenses, or other study related costs. So you are not restricted to any of the specific funding budget. And renewal will be as per the academic standards you do. And the requirements for this, you should have obtained an admission at University of Twente. If you're not applied yet, you can just apply for the admission first, then apply for the scholarship. Because student number will be required, you should have a student ID, so that you can enter that student ID in the form. You can fill the scholarship form. Nationality, and you must be non-European, and you should have previously completed English in studies in English language. And then the application process is you should apply for admission first, then you can submit you'll receive the student number. Like once you just apply, you'll immediately receive a student number. Even if you are not selected, you can receive a student number, but you have to use that student number at the UTS application. Now scroll down, and then you can see apply here button. Click on this apply here button. Once you click on that, you can see student number you have to enter and validate. So you just apply for admissions first, you get student number. Immediately after applying, within 5 minutes you get the student number, and then come back here. I'll use the student number here and verify, and then click on submit. Now you can see we are ready to apply for the University of Twente scholarships or Netherlands scholarship. Click on apply. So now we have to, if you're for the first time here, you have to create an account that you have already created through the OSIRS portal. Same details you have to use here. Same OSIRS details will be used, and click on login. These are our previous demo applications. So in case your application, there will be nothing, you have to click on new application here. Now you have to select, make a choice which one you wish to apply. ITC, Geo, postgraduate, whatever you wish to apply, you have to select it here. So we'll go with the University of Twente scholarship round 2 or NL scholarship round 2. So you have to choose which one you wish to apply. So we'll go with this UTS scholarship, and now your details will be there already. So you have to cross check them and update anything that you wish, else you can click on continue. Now welcome will be observatory. So 1st May is the round 2 deadline. Now do you accept requirements in this application? Select yes. Please choose the study which you applied. So you have to here choose from the list. Let's click on continue, and you can see please fill out all mandatory choices. At least one answer is there. So let's first select no and see if there is any change. So it doesn't show here anything. This may happen because once you do not pay application fee, this may happen. So let's go home and click new application here. Select the and round 2 scholarship here. Click on continue. And round 1, round 2, click on continue. Still there is nothing showing here, but in case you also face the same, you need to will click on this save here and click on questions. There is a drop down, it's not opening at the moment. It may be due to if you do not have a valid application for 26, no study program will be shown below, and you cannot submit a scholarship application. Okay, this is the process. So let's go to the OSRS portal once and see if there's any application here. Let me go back to this. And go to education here, masters, engineering and technology. So I have chosen any random subject so that we can see that. Now you have to complete the process. So let's go to the application procedure here. Click on apply now. Okay, study link is the portal. Let's you don't have DigiID, click on login. Then your email address and password. Click on login. So there'll be an OTP. Let's check our email first for the OTP. And let's wait for the OTP. Didn't receive at the moment. Okay, now there's an OTP 515267. Let's submit that here. 515267. Click on login. Okay, done. Study programs. In institutions, we mention University of Twente here. Start programs. Masters. And let's click on add new enrollment. In institution, we'll mention the University of Twente here. Now we can see different let's select this masters here. Start date and aware about this. Click on next. Now some questions will be there about previous institution. You agree to these and click on save answers. Click on next. Check this and confirm. Okay, reviewed. Not close the window. You can see application has been received by Sterling and will be sent to education institutions very soon. So now let's go to ORS back here and see. Let's also check the email. Enrollment sent to institution. Okay, now OSRS should reflect our application here. Let's go to this. Click on continue and see if the application is there. Okay, you can see application has been added here. Now click on yes and click on application here. You can see immediately it is added. Click on continue and now attach your attachment like the motivation letter. Choose the file here. That's the motivation letter you have to attach. Okay, let's select the motivation letter, click on open and click on upload file here. Now done. What's your home university? Mention that here. And ranking university, if you have, you can mention that here. QS ranking, whatever ranking it is, you just mention that. CGPA, out of scale, you mention that here. And what's your requested scholarship? So you can mention 22,000. Do you agree with the exchange student progress? So yes. Did you complete IELTS TOEFL? So doesn't apply me because we have completed in the English language. So we'll mention the university admission letter here. and then upload the file. Now click on continue. Okay, tell me why. So MOI is attached, or what? That's in the English. And now, okay, we are ready. So you can hit this submit button here. Before submission, do always review the information that you submit is true and correct. And this is demo application process. All details have been used as a demo. You can see application submitted, and what will be sent on the email. So you can see this we have submitted. So now let's check the email. You can see once you apply, immediately your student number will be there, and follow up on the application, then confirmation of your scholarship application. So everything is there one by one. We applied for the admission, received the student number, then student OSRS details will be here, your password, your username that you might ask for, that we use it on this portal. So you'll also receive that in the email. Today they sent immediately, otherwise they take 24 hours. And every username and password has been received, as you can see. Now in the third email, the confirmation of the scholarship. So that's it for today. All three steps have been included: admission, scholarship, and details. I hope you enjoyed the session. You have doubts anywhere regarding username and password, any questions regarding scholarship, any document submission, ask us in the comment section. Our team will assist you absolutely. And every detail is on our website, fullscholarships.net. Please like and share this video, and do help us reach this scholarship information to your family and friends so that they do not miss their career and they can apply on time. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.